Man, I cannot believe gargantuar pirate God said to the vacuum cleaner what I should do. I know. I will go to gargantuar pirate's house to out of the vacuum cleaner. There's a vacuum cleaner. Now I will get gargantuar pirate out of them. Go animate logic. Activate.
Yay. I'm free from the vacuum cleaner. Thank you, Dr. Eggman.
You are welcome, gargantuar pirate.
You just free gargantuar pirate from vacuum cleaner. How dare you? That's it. Dr. Eggman, go home right now while I call you Sonic.
No.
Hello, Sonic. Dr. Eggman just free my son gargantuar pirate from the vacuum cleaner. Ground for this, please? Okay. Thanks. Bye. And as for you, gargantuar pirate, you are grounded for 7,152 years for free by Dr. Eggman. Go to your room right now, and I will tell you mother to get home.
Dr. Eggman, we cannot believe you free gargantuar pirate for vacuum cleaner. You know that gargantuar pirate is very giant for sick people to the vacuum cleaner. That's it. You are grounded for 61537 century.
Go to your room right now and never ever come out.